Hello guys, welcome back to our new video. Before we starting our video, make sure that you will subscribe our channel. So today our topic is best affiliate program for beginners to make money online. So you have decided to set sail into the profitable world of affiliate marketing. Perhaps you want to diversify income for a content site, generates revenue through display advertising, or you are looking for a way to monetize your blogging content. To join thousands of other affiliate marketers buying and selling online business on our marketplace. So here is a quick recap of what affiliate marketing actually is. If you are still in the process of learning what affiliate marketing actually is, it is the best that we start at the beginning. Affiliate marketing is where you sign up with a company or a network, being a company that houses multiple offers from different businesses. You then typically make a commission every time someone either buys something or executes a desired action. These desired action could include someone clicking on a link in your blog or to purchase a product on Amazon. And then you are then paid a commission with when traffic that you generate to the retailers offer completes a desired action. This money is generally part of the company or affiliate program's online marketing budget. Before you get carried away with choosing the best affiliate model for you, you want to steer towards knowing what you will specialize in will give you a course to follow when choosing the program that will offer you the most return on investment based on your business goals. Research whether other WordPress and starter SEO sites within your niche are promoting affiliate products to gauge market demand. If there are other affiliate, because you know they would not bother if there was no potential to grow revenue. How to decide the best affiliate marketing program for beginners? There are a few factors that you need to take into consideration when choosing the best affiliate program to start with. You need to think about whether these products are something that you are going to want to put time and effort into promoting on your website and social media. How much support they offer the affiliates, and what softwares as a services tools they provide for those who might not have a background in tech or web development. Only consider programs that making joining their network beneficial to both them and you. The affiliate marketing program you decide on should also have a clearly written. If you see reviews about affiliate commissions not getting paid on time, how many merchants an affiliate network or program currently has should also be consideration when deciding on the best fit. After all, why should you spend time and money promoting something when it clearly has limited revenue potential? In-house merchant affiliate programs. They include Amazon affiliate program as they manage everything within its own partner program. Affiliate network. You are bringing traffic directly to the network offers. The network will advise you on how you can promote the affiliate offer, and some even offer marketing content that your business can use to help with conversation and to build trust. This is great opportunity for a business owner looking to promote a new product which leaves the company making they offer free to focus on their parts of the business outside of marketing. And now, which niche you want to set you out for? Amazon Association. While you may be just getting started, the Amazon affiliate program is the flagship when it comes to make money through this monetization method. If not thousands of tutorials and courses on how you can utilize this network to make a comfortable living. It's no surprise that the program made it to the top of our list. Positives. The fact that this affiliate program is the largest and oldest in the world says a lot because Amazon has built such a well-known program of affiliates. You can be assured that you have a great foundation to start off with. The great part about this program is that it will always pay you on time. Negatives. One negative about this program, other than uncertain commission updates, is that Amazon has a strict term of services policy you must follow. Because of its sheer size and number of affiliates, the Amazon Affiliates program offers for lower payout than some of the other programs in this list. Commission Junction. Commission Junction is a huge affiliate network that works with companies and promotes products all over the global with over 20 years of experience in doing business within the affiliate space. Positives. The affiliate program is really great if you are just starting out. Provide a stable foundation to start on. You definitely need to consider this network if it fits your business goal. Every brand and company within the CG affiliate network has different and very specific requirements to be accepted into their program. Impact. Leading the way in the dashboard functionally and user interface. Impact is another great affiliate program to consider when first setting out affiliate marketing. Positives. With over 1,000 brands found in a large array of needs. Known for offering one of the best UI and reporting dashboard, it is no wonder why so many affiliates speak very highly of this program. Negatives. As I mentioned above, the Impact affiliate program is not as your friendly to join as the other options we have covered as so far. The learning curve to pick up the program is also something that many have complained about based on the added functionality within the dashboard because this affiliate network has so much functionality built in. Some users have reported a few bugs and other backend issues that you should keep in mind when making your decision.